we're diving into a full review of Wi-Fi Cash Bot. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Delivered instantly. Start using right now. First 25 only, tap into 2 billion extra buyers and free buyer traffic with our secret traffic source. We've unlocked an additional $1,000 in daily profits. Just $9.95 one time, normally $97. Even when you're logged out and offline. Grab a copy of Wi-Fi Cash Bot before the price increases. Click on any of the buttons on this page. Activate the Wi-Fi Cash Bot and select one of the 30-second AI-powered money-making methods like our famous one-click phone tap takes seconds. Just as easy as taking a shower. From the desk of Glenn. Location, Miami, United States, at the vacation condo. Dear future bot owner, Glenn here, alongside my partner Amelia. Let's not waste time. If you had to generate income today with just your phone and a Wi-Fi connection, could you pull it off? If you hesitated even a little, you're exactly who we made this for. Most people scroll away their days, broke, burnt out, and always one bad week from total chaos. But me and Amelia? We use the same phone as everyone else. Except instead of doom scrolling, we switch on the Wi-Fi Cash Bot and let it quietly run 5 passive income streams in the background. No talking. No selling. No biz to build. Just few clicks and the bot does the rest. You don't need skills, you don't need confidence, you just need a few seconds to activate the system and let the automation do what it's built to do. Now picture this. You wake up. Your account's empty. Bills are stacked. No plan. No backup. No lifeline. You're one scroll away from full-on panic mode. Most people freeze. They fold. They go right back to broke. But not you. You fire up Wi-Fi Cash Bot, and within minutes, it's doing exactly what we built it for. Stacking 5 streams of income on autopilot while you sit back and watch. No pitching. No branding. No face on camera. Just raw automation, running non-stop in the background. This isn't some guru fantasy. It's real. It's ruthless. And it's built for people who need results today, not someday. And that's just the warm-up. This isn't some dusty course. It's not a side hustle. And it damn sure isn't an online business. Wi-Fi Cash Bot is a fully automated income weapon designed to turn your phone into a 24/7 cash-producing machine in under 30 seconds flat. The tap. That's just the ignition. Once you launch the bot, it instantly triggers 5 independent income streams, working in sync like a digital hit squad. No products. No content. No tech. No hustle. Just one brutal little bot doing all the dirty work for you. You don't run this system. The AI bot does. You just tap to ignite it. Wi-Fi Cash Bot isn't an app and it's not a tool. It's a weaponized bot built to turn your phone into a full-blown income switch. Once you activate it, the bot handles everything. Quietly triggering multiple income streams behind the scenes while you do literally anything else. And it's not just us. Right now, regular people with no audience, no tech skills, no clue what they're doing, are watching this bot go to work for them. High voltage, no selling, no showing your face, skull, no pressure. Just a brutal little system stacking results, one stream at a time. On full autopilot. Briefcase: what Wi-Fi Cash Bot does. And why it works like crazy. Let's get something straight. Wi-Fi Cash Bot is a done-for-you automation monster custom built to stack multiple passive income streams, straight from your phone. The concept is savage and simple: backhand index pointing right, tap once. Activate the bot. Let it unlock 5 streams of hidden income all on its own. No setup. No selling. No stress. No weird apps. No learning curve. And that first 30-second tap? That's just the entry point. Inside the system are dozens of powerful income methods, too aggressive to list publicly, all designed to multiply results without you lifting a finger. If you've got Wi-Fi, a phone, and the guts to press go, you're ready. The bot's already wired to win. This isn't a boring biz. It's our personal bot that prints us a paycheck. You don't need to be a guru, a techie, or some marketing wizard. Wi-Fi Cash Bot was built for real people who want fast wins without the BS. No brand. No biz. No hustle culture garbage. You're not trying to scale an empire, you're here to watch results hit your screen now. No funnels. No emails. No pitching strangers in your DMS mobile phone with arrow you just tap. The bot shares viral content. Then boom, the magic happens, it's the AI-powered income button you didn't know you had. Built for speed, ease, and zero stress. And yes, it works anywhere Wi-Fi exists. Even if you're on your couch, in your car, or half asleep in bed. You can't mess this up, unless you do nothing. Let's be real, most systems break down because you have to do the work. Not this one. Wi-Fi Cash Bot does the heavy lifting from the second you activate it. You don't need skills or experience. You don't even need to know how it works. Because the bot runs everything for you. Few clicks unleashes income streams that don't wait for effort, talent, or luck. There's no guesswork. No second guessing. No what now moments gear. It's already built, fire, it's already running, brain. All you have to do is not get in the way. The only thing stopping this is you waiting too long to click. The real money's sitting on phones with the bot. You've been walking around with a profit machine in your pocket. And didn't even know it. Not a business. Not some sketchy app, and definitely not another side hustle. Just your phone. And a dirty little trigger move that sets off 5 income streams at once, in total silence. No selling. No posting. No dancing on camera. Just one tap. And Wi-Fi Cash Bot does the rest. This isn't a theory or maybe next month nonsense. It's plug and play. It's instant. It works anywhere Wi-Fi hits, and it's already built to pull in payouts from real affiliate networks like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and DGStore24. The secret sauce? The AI inside the bot. It handles everything in the background, so while you scroll, snack, or sleep, it's working the system, stacking streams, and building your balance before you even realize it. What looks simple is secretly loaded with profit triggers. Most people scroll right past it. They see a tap, a link, a faceless clip, and they miss what's really happening. Because behind every 30-second action, there's a chain reaction. AI kicks in. Hidden offers activate. Commissions flow in from places you never even touched. It's fast. It's invisible. It stacks while we do nothing. And that tap you've heard about, that's just the beginning. One tap pulls in $100 before lunch. Another tap gets us $100 by dinner. Next thing you know, you've made $1,000 within 24 hours from a hidden affiliate offer you didn't even promote directly. That's what happens when your system doesn't just make money. It multiplies it. With Wi-Fi Cash Bot, you're not relying on one trick or hoping one hustle works. You're tapping into a stack of methods that quietly run in the background, all at once. Some pay fast. Some keep paying. Some feel like they came out of nowhere. but together, they add up. Quick. Start with one, activate the rest and let the income build while your phone and Wi-Fi do the heavy lifting. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.